Hit! Medic! Oh, I got him. Trade for trade.
You ready?
Yeah. Going. Thanks, man. Greatly appreciate it.
All right, you got me covered?
Yep, we're good.
Going back.
All right, go back. Go. I'm out. Reload. Whoa. Gun hit! Hey, Tyler! Fall back. Yeah. Fall back. Hey, Mr. B is still up there. Flanking everywhere.
Love that call.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Where's friendlies or enemies? My 10. Nope. Open up! Medic!
Right side!
Where you at? Behind this tree right here. Medic's coming to you. We got one coming to you. We got one coming. You got a guy coming that way on your other side of the tree.
I got a lot of guys coming my way. Yeah. He's behind these trees. I can't hit him. I got him. Up here at this tree.
Might want to wait though. Don't go for the far with me.
All right, you ready?
No, I'm not hit.
No, I mean, I'm going
Oh, you're going to him. Okay,
Yeah,
I'm
you
sorry. Wait, one second. Okay, wait, hang on. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Reloading! Whoa. I have no idea.
Stay low, I got you covered. Going back, in the shot.
Come on.
Right. Left side, fire.
Moving right towards the highway. Oh, I got him. I think. Or is he just gonna take cover? Oh, he's just gonna take cover. So, where is he, I guess? Hey, Nick, I'm gonna come to you, alright? This tree is kind of getting overrun here. Nick, I'm coming to you, okay?
Alright. I can't really cover you.
I know, it's okay, don't worry about cover. I'm just gonna run. Oh, we got guys.
I'm more or less out of ammo.
Your shot's coming right over. Let's see if I can suppress these guys.
Matt,
Well, that was more or less unsuccessful.
I am out of spare BBs. I have 1 mag left.
I got an extra mag in my backpack. And...
Move Moving up right. Offside's gonna take it out.
All right, get ready to move, guys.
We gotta fall back. We're gonna get nailed here.
All right.
All right, you go.
Get out, medic. I got you. Go.
All right. Back to the left side.
Get out, Matt.
All right. All right, Nick, wait. Go. Okay.
No ammunition.
No ammo, you're out. Here, come and get it from my backpack. You want it from my backpack? Come and get it. Hang on. Better idea, I'll come to you.
Right there. See him?
Nope.
Two guys.
Yeah, okay. All right, get it. Go, go, go.
Back, very back.
Small one, small one.
Oh, there's so much crap in here.
Yeah, we got grenade launchers, we got grenade shells. You name it, we got it.
Oh, thanks, bro.
No problem. Whoa!
Nice jump.
Funny.
Hey, moving right! Moving right! On the right.
3 guys, moving right!
That's not who I was talking about.
No, well, there's 3, so, you know.
Wow, when he's freaking like leaves to screw up my shot.
I know.
Moving up on the left.
Left side, 1 contact.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna push up.
All right, be careful.
Go right to that stump.
All right.
All right. You're the medic. Don't get yourself killed.
Don't encourage me now. Ready?
All right, you're good.
All right, you got it.
Go, go, go. And my automatic feature stands. I hate when that happens.
Well,
I think I got him. Did I get him? I think I just got him.
nice shooting, bro.
Did I get him? I don't think I actually. I don't know. I can't really tell.
We missed a solid. No big deal. You'll get him sometime.
Hey, friendlies! How many we got on the left? Left side. Are you still alive? Hello. Hi. How are things going over there? How many guys you got over there?
Matt.
Yeah, what's up?
Left.
I don't see anybody.
Should we?
Is that guy? Did that guy get hit?
Should we pull out? Watch your left.
Oh, we're about to get overrun. I bet you they're all back in there. All right.
I dare them to come. Matt, here they come.
I see him. Far left! Far left! Far left! Oh, we're taking far from that stupid saw again.
Hey, look, I'm headed broke.
Woo!
All right, Matt, you watch that way. If they come, they're all dead. Every last freaking one.
Oh, they're making all the way to the water.
Here they come. Moving in.
All right, we got to go back now. Let's go. Come on, go, go, go. We got to get out of
Get me
here.
out. Yeah.
All right.
None of us have range.
We're bailing on this. Let's go. Hey, hey,
Cover.
left side.
Cover.
Hey.
Shoot the gun!
That's good, sir. All right, I'm going. Oh shit! Sorry, man. You're in the all right, man. I fucking nailed that.
Sorry about that.
Oh, it's my fault. Okay. I see that guy in the white back there. He's got like a white hat or something. I'm gonna chase him back a little bit.
I'll let you cover fire. Let me know when you're ready. Ready? Go back.
Hey, sniper on the left. They're down this trail. I can see him. I can't hit him. Volley. Oh, probably not even coming close.
Where you at? Roll in. I need that other medic up here. All right, hold
Hey man, I'm falling back this way. We're gonna get overrun. All right, let's go. Come on.
Incoming! Run right, run right. Eric, you got it. Okay. Oh.
Medic!
Cover! Get up there with that medic. Get up there with him. Come on. Come on, go. Let's go. Lost your skill. Yeah.
All right, go back.
Are you hit? Yeah. All right. Let me get a medic to you. All right. Hey, medic.
Why didn't you wind it?
Our medic's down. Hold on. All right, the medic. Fall back in here. One of you two go up there and grab him by the shoulder and bring him back to our other medic.
I can give you cover fire here.
We got cover fire.
Cover fire on our front. 12 o'clock. Our medic's down.
Tell me when to go.
All right, 3. All right, hold on, guys. Hold on, guys.
All right, we need somebody over there to like.
You're gonna give them some cover fire support over here. All right? You guys ready?
Ready,
All right,
set,
fire
go.
support. Go grab that medic and get him back here. Let's go. Go. Whoa!
Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Falling back, taking fire, taking fire.
Hold up, medic. You're still down. Get back in your position. Are you hit?
No, I just tripped.
All right. Grab your guy and bring him back to this.
Go, Nick, come on, come on, come on.
I'm gonna get the medic to get him back up.
Hey, guy, no.
Where's my medic?
Right side.
Where's my medic? He's gonna grab him, give him cover. You got it?
I'm going in.
Are you gonna grab him?
You want me to?
Yeah, that's fine. All right, give him cover to get that other man back over here.
All right, come
Go
on.
ahead, go. 2 on, go.
All right.
Eric, what's the time?
Trail, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock.
It's 9.
All right, now we're all bunched up over here. We need to spread.
Let's spread out, boys.
You need the medic. You still up there?
Huh?
Oh, do I still need a medic?
Yeah. Where's our medic? Somebody get him.
I'm not a medic. Good job, Nick. Good stuff. How you doing, Ty?
Sweaty.
Yeah, I've only been shot once, I think. Maybe once. Hey, you're up still. You're doing good. Got anyone yet?
Yeah.
Alright, I need a rifle over here.
The bushes are taking.
Moving up, my 12. Hang on.
Get low.
I got him. Moving left. Got one behind this tree. Well, that's not very descriptive, but I got him. Reloading.
Get on that step. Shoot through that door.
Watch out. Polar star.
Alright, look.
We got guys moving in.
Oh no, I don't see him.
I need somebody on top. Here.
Yeah,
Why don't
what?
you get up here and
All right.
shoot over that? Use this as cover.
Got it. Hey, someone move that gun. I'm getting up there.
Left side. Whoa! Holy crap. Yeah.
Are you hit?
No.
No, you're in. Guns don't count here.
Hey guys, keep watching the left side. They're all over there.
Right here. Right there.
I got visual.
He's hit.
Oh, he's it? Oh shit, sorry man. Okay.
Keep your heads down.
There's another one right there.
Oh yeah, he just shot.
Guy moving right.
Got him. He's in that oak tree right there.
Get down.
Waste our time. Hey, how much time do we have left? 10 minutes probably.
We got 10 more minutes.
Don't shout, don't shout. They'll get in here.
Watch your
I see him, I see him.
back.
He's out, falling back.
Rifleman up here. I need a rifle. Somebody with a gun over here in the front of the tank. You got it? All right, get up there.
Okay, you're medic. Hop down.
Hey guys, they're coming from the back of us. You gotta watch back there.
Where are they at?
Left side, left side. They're coming up this trail right here.
In the water over there.
Come on, Marker. Hurry up, man. They're coming in.
Is your gun up and running? No.
Hey, watch your back.
Hey guys, running left, running left, running left.
Get back to where we are. Walk back.